This April, some items at Lowe's are being marked down so low, you'd honestly think it's a pricing glitch. We're talking up to 50% off on stuff that usually costs double. And here's the kicker, most people are walking into Lowe's right now buying things at full price, completely clueless that they're stepping right over the best deals of the year. If you're looking to grab some new tools, level up your home, or just want to shop a whole lot smarter, this is the video you need to watch right now. I've filtered out the absolute best buys for April 2026, no fluff, no ads, just the deals actually worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around until the end and you'll know exactly what to grab and what to leave on the shelf. Let's dive in. Listen up, guys. Don't let the boring look of this one fool you. As someone who's been rolling around in sawdust and power drills for over 10 years, I'm telling you, this is the best bang for your buck item to kick off your Lowe's run this month. Honestly, if you pass up these 42-gallon contractor bags for just $14.78, you're doing it wrong. You get a 24-pack with a 3 mil thickness, which sounds all technical, but in the real world, it means you can stuff it with broken bricks, scrap wood, or that mountain of garage junk without it ripping or bursting like those flimsy supermarket bags. Compare that to the premium Glad or Hefty bags at Walmart. You'd usually pay $18 to $22 for something that's actually thinner. This right here is true contractor grade stuff. We're not playing with toys here. Personal story. Last weekend, I was cleaning up the backyard leaves branches and all the random junk my kids leave lying around. I used these exact bags, packed them to the brim, and carried them with one hand without worrying about the bottom blowing out. There's just something so satisfying about lugging a heavy-duty bag that refuses to give up. And here's the beauty of it. Items like this aren't sexy. They aren't fancy power tools, but they're things you use every single week. Spending $14.78 once to cover you for the whole month, that is what real saving looks like. If you're into shopping smart instead of just shopping a lot, hit that like button for me. I'll keep digging up these hidden gems for you every week. By the way, what bags do you usually use for the workshop? Anyone else ever had a trash bag explosion nightmare like I have? Vent your frustrations in the comments below. Now, since we've got the bags ready for the cleanup, we need something a bit more heavy duty to fill them up. Moving on to the next item, I'm going to show you an absolute beast in the power tool world that's at a total steal right now. All right, my mechanical warriors and home improvement masters, take a deep breath because we're stepping into the most dangerous zone at Lowe's, the power tool aisle. This is where your dopamine levels redline. And your wallet starts trembling because these deals are straight up ridiculous. As a guy who's lived and breathed the sound of saw blades for over a decade, let me tell you, tools are something you buy once and they serve you for a lifetime, or at least until you pass them down to your son. This April Lowe's is going big with what I call Black Friday levels of pricing. Don't wait until the end of the year. The time to strike is now. First up, the one that's an absolute shut up and take my money deal, the Craftsman 5-gallon wet/dry vac for just $59.98. Now, 5 gallons might sound small, but in reality, it's the perfect Goldilocks size for the house. Garage dust detailing the car or a flooded bathroom floor, it handles it all like a champ. The best part. It comes fully loaded with accessories, a crevice tool, a long hose, and the filter. You basically just plug it in and get to work. Compared to similar models from Ryobi or Rigid that usually sit around $70 to $80, this deal is a total no-brainer. But if you want to take it to the next level, the do it once, do it right level, then the DeWalt Stealth Sonic 9-gallon for $99 is the real MVP. 5 horsepower might sound like technical jargon, but simply put, this thing has insane suction. Sawdust, concrete dust, or even thick standing water, not a problem. And that Stealth Sonic technology. Trust me, it's a game changer. I used to own vacs that sounded like a jet engine taking off if the kids were napping, forget about working. This one is noticeably quieter. You can actually work and hold a conversation at the same time without screaming your lungs out. It normally goes for $130 to $150, so at $99, it's basically Black Friday in April. Next up, for those who want to cut through the world, the circular saw is also hitting that $99 sweet spot. This is a killer price for a big-name brand. As you guys know, the circular saw is the heart and soul of any DIY project. Whether you're building a table, a shelf, or fixing the fence, without this, you're stuck. For $99, you get a powerhouse that slices through wood like a hot knife through butter. Compared to those no-name brands online for $60 to $70 that lose their alignment or overheat after 3 days, this is an investment that pays for itself. But wait, the final boss of this section is the drill/impact combo for $99. I'll repeat that, $99 for both the drill and the impact driver. Usually a single bare tool costs almost that much. This is the must-have starter kit for every man's home. It's the perfect alternative to those $200 to $300 Milwaukee or Makita sets. Performance, I personally use this exact combo to build an entire backyard shed. I drove thousands of screws into pressure-treated lumber, and the motor just kept humming along without breaking a sweat. What do you guys think? Are these numbers making your hands itch to drive to Lowe's right now if you find this info worth its weight in gold? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I've got plenty more pro tips and hidden deals coming your way. Which team are you on? Do you swear by the durability of DeWalt or the compact reliability of a ShopVac drop? A comment below. Let's talk shop. Now that we've handled the heavy machinery, let's cool things down a bit. This next part is something most people overlook, but it's the secret to whether you actually score those cheap tools or not. Let's go. Psst. Come closer. Let me let you in on a little industry secret. In the tool world, grabbing a cheap bare tool, just the machine, isn't always the win you think it is. The real wallet drainer, the thing brands use to bleed us dry, is the battery. Most people get distracted by those shiny new drills and don't realize that the battery is the soul and the most overpriced part of the whole ecosystem. But don't worry, here at Lowe's in April 2026, I found a glitch in the matrix for you. This is a secret weapon that if you aren't a pro, you'd probably walk right past. Check this out, a battery combo for just $99. Sounds basic, right? But here's the wow factor. When you buy this combo, you get a free 5 ampere-hour battery worth up to $169. You heard me right? The freebie is literally worth more than the kit you're actually paying for. This is like going to a diner, ordering a $15 burger, and they hand you a whole Wagyu cow for free. It's so absurd. I actually had to ask a Lowe's associate if they'd messed up the price tags. Their answer? Nope. The April deals are just that fire. Let me explain why that 5 ampere-hour number makes DIY-ers go wild. Most starter kits come with a 1.5 ampere-hour or 2 ampere-hour battery, the kind that starts wheezing and flashing red after drilling 3 holes in hardwood. This 5 ampere-hour beast, it's a monster. It's like replacing a scooter's tiny gas tank with a semi-truck's fuel reservoir. It keeps your tools humming all day long. I remember trying to refinish my deck for the wife with my old 2 ampere-hour battery. I had to run to the charger every 15 minutes. I was so frustrated I almost chucked the drill into the neighbor's yard. But since upgrading to these high-capacity packs, I can drive screws from sunrise to sunset, and the tool still feels fresh. And the real showstopper this time is the multi-volt line, 18 volts plus 36 volts. This is the kind of high-end tech brands like Hilti or Festool use to flex on people with astronomical prices, but now you can snag it at Lowe's for a steal. It automatically adjusts the voltage based on the tool you plug it into. Need some finesse for a bookshelf? It runs at 18 volts. Need raw, destructive power for chipping concrete or ripping thick lumber? It jumps to 36 volts. It's smart, it's sleek, and it's efficient. Honestly, you can skip buying a new tool, but never skip a battery sale like this. A top-tier battery will make your old tired tools feel like they just came out of the box. If you think this deal is too good to be true, hype up this video with a like and share it with your neighbor before he goes out and pays highway robbery prices for a single battery. What platform are you guys on? Anyone else had their battery die right at the climax of a project like I used to? Let's vent in the comments. All right, batteries are charged, tools are beefed up, now let's cool things down. Next, I'm taking you out to the backyard where I found some small but mighty items that'll make your home look like a 5-star resort for the price of a cheap takeout meal. Let's go. All right, gents, let's give those noisy power drills a rest for a second. I know many of you only care about steel motors and torque, but listen to me, this section is exactly how you score major points with the boss, aka your wife. If you want her to approve your tool budget for next month, this is your time to shine as the ultimate family man. Welcome to Lowe's Garden Boulevard, where there's currently a price massacre going on that's going to give you a pleasant little shock. You heard that right. Let's kick things off with potting soil and mulch, priced at just $2 a bag. Let me do some quick math for you to show how insane this is. Usually premium pre-mixed soil or that fancy black/red mulch at boutique nurseries can run you $5 to $7 a bag. But here for $2, you're getting a bag of rich, loose, nutrient-packed gold. This is the legendary traffic driver deal Lowe's runs every April. It's so cheap I've seen people pulling up with flatbed trucks loading them up like they're planning to flip them on the black market. Why am I going crazy over a $2 bag of dirt? Because as a DIYer, I know the pain of spending hundreds on fancy pots and beautiful plants, then cheaping out on the soil only to watch your garden wither away. That hurts. At this price, you can cover your entire yard. A thick layer of mulch keeps the moisture in and chokes out the weeds. Trust me, this mulch will make your backyard look like a 5-star resort for the price of a few cups of coffee. Last year, my wife was nagging about the messy yard, so I hauled home 20 bags and spent an afternoon spreading them out. The result? A picture-perfect garden, and I got the green light to buy a new angle grinder without a single complaint. Wait, it gets better. The real ace up my sleeve is this $1 flower pots. Yes, one single buck for a bright blooming start, while those fancy florist shops are charging you $5 or $10 for the same thing. Just because of the brand name, Lowe's April flowers are fresh, healthy, and ready to pop. My kids absolutely love this. Every time we hit Lowe's, I give them each a few bucks to pick out their own flowers. It's a genius way to teach them about responsibility and nature without breaking the bank. Watching them get excited about digging in the dirt and watering their $1 flowers, that's worth 10,000 times more than the dollar I spent. If you're planning to F5, refresh your yard for those weekend BBQs, this is the golden window. Don't miss it. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss more tips on how to keep the peace at home using these budget finds. Help me hype this video up by sharing it with your buddies. Let's all save some cash together. Now, once the lawn is lush and the flowers are blooming, what's next? A sick patio set to sit back, crack a cold beer, and admire your hard work, obviously. In the final section, I'm going to show you some outdoor lifestyle sets that are marked down so low it's hard to believe. Let's head to the last stop. If you ever thought that beautifying your backyard had to cost thousands of dollars, Lowe's is basically rewriting the rule book this April. This is the golden window for outdoor and lifestyle gear because Lowe's is clearing out inventory before the peak season hits. First up, the entire grill lineup is seeing about a 30% markdown. For example, those 3-burner gas grills, having 3 burners means you can sear steaks, roast veggies, and grill seafood all at once with separate heat zones. These usually run you $300 to $400, but right now you can snag one for just over $200. To me, this isn't just about cooking, it's about the weekend experience. Saturday night comes around, you fire up the grill, the smell of barbecue fills the air, and the kids run out asking, "Dad, what's for dinner?" That vibe right there is worth way more than the number on your receipt. To complete the setup, you cannot sleep on the patio furniture, which is currently slashed by 40%. You heard me right, that's practically buy one, get one territory. Instead of sitting on those cheap plastic chairs that give you a backache, grab a set with plush, comfortable cushions. It's weather-resistant, fade-resistant, and most importantly, it turns a cluttered backyard into a legit mini resort. And here is your ace in the hole for setting a romantic mood for the wife the fire pit for just about $59. We're talking a sturdy steel pit with a classic sophisticated design. Usually decor pieces like this at high-end furniture stores never go for under $100. Place this in the center of your yard, light up some logs at night, and roast some marshmallows with the family. Trust me, there is no peace of mind cheaper than this. On the technical side, this $59 pit has a high heat paint finish that won't flake off after 2 fires like the junk you find at flea markets. It keeps the fire steady and is super safe for the kids if you keep a proper distance. This is easily the small but mighty winner of today's list. Listen, fellas, if you think these suggestions are helping you level up your lifestyle without murdering your wallet, hit that like and subscribe button. I make these videos because I want all of us to have a chill home without drowning in debt. Let's hype this video up so everyone knows just how generous Lowe's is being this April. Out of these 3, the grill, the patio set, or the fire pit, which one are you hauling home first? Or has anyone already built a backyard sanctuary using Lowe's gear? Drop a comment, show off your photos, or share your story. And finally, I've saved a total bombshell for the very end. This is the one item that 99% of people at Lowe's will walk right past if they don't watch this last segment. Let's head to the final big deal to wrap this video up. And here we are at the final stretch of our treasure hunt. I've been holding on to this heavy hitter until now because it's a total mic drop deal that'll make anyone with DIY in their blood lose their mind. Look at this, the Metabo H PT meter saw bundled with a professional stand, all for just $199. Do you guys realize how insane this is? Normally, that heavy-duty stand alone would set you back nearly $100. And the Metabo saw, it's a legend for durability. Remember, this is the brand formerly known as Hitachi. If you look at similar sliding miter saws from Bosch or DeWalt, you're looking at $400 to $500 easy. Why is this a must-buy? Because this Metabo has surgical precision. We're talking accuracy down to the millimeter. Whether you're framing pictures, doing crown molding, or cutting massive lumber to build a workshop, it handles it all like a dream. And that stand isn't just for show. It lets you work anywhere from the driveway to the job site without wrecking your back. I used this setup to build a patio set for my wife, and I swear the feeling of making those perfect cuts is better than winning the lottery. To double the satisfaction, grab this 29-piece drill bit set for $54.98. Stop using those cheap bits that snap or go dull after 2 seconds. This set has everything wood, plastic, and light metal. The tips are reinforced to stay sharp, helping you drill faster and cleaner without scorching the wood. Buy this once, and it'll last you 5 years guaranteed. Fella's opportunity doesn't knock twice. Don't wait until May when the prices bounce back and you're left with buyer's remorse. And that's a wrap. We've officially scouted every corner of Lowe's to find the absolute best bang for your buck, deals for April 2026. I hope that with my 10+ years of battle scars in the shop and these insider tips, you won't feel lost in those endless aisles anymore. Remember, shop smart, build tough. Don't let marketing gimmicks fool you. Stick to the specs and the real value we talked about today to make every penny count. I'm dying to know, did you manage to snag anything from this list yet? Or did you find an even bigger deal that I missed? Drop a comment below about your favorite find. What do you want me to review or compare in the next video? Don't be shy, let me know, and I'll prioritize the topics you guys care about most. If you found this info worth its weight in gold and want to help me grow this DIY community, smash that like button. It really fuels me to keep hunting for these deals. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know about the next flash sale. Also, share this with your buddies so we can all save money and master our home projects together. Quick disclaimer, all prices, like the $14.78 trash bags or the $99 DeWalt vac, were recorded at the time of filming in April 2026. Prices may vary by location or change without notice. Always double-check the app or your local store before checking out. Also, these tool reviews are based on my personal experience. When using power tools, especially saws and drills, you must read the manual and wear your PPE. Your safety is number one. Don't let a moment of carelessness ruin the DIY fun. Thanks for sticking with me until the very end. Now hop in the truck and go conquer Lowe's. I'll see you warriors in the next video. Peace.